Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing everything you need: detergent, coins or card, and sorted laundry. First, check pockets and care labels so you avoid damage. Next, add detergent to the designated compartment. Use the measured amount on the bottle for load size. Close the lid, then select cycle type and temperature. Once set, press start. The machine will lock and begin filling. Make sure to stay nearby in case a prompt requires payment or a cycle choice change. Now you manage the core cycle choices and watch for midway prompts. If your washer allows it, adjust temperature and spin speed based on fabric. Hot for heavy soils, cold for colors, so stains and shrinkage are controlled. If extra detergent or booster is needed, many machines permit a pause at the cycle's fill point. Press pause, open, add, then resume. Once settings are confirmed, the machine will proceed through wash, rinse, and spin stages automatically. Keep your card or coins ready for any timed extensions. You finish by removing laundry promptly to prevent mildew and creases. If water remains, select a quick spin or drain and spin option. This finishes within minutes. Make sure to wipe the seal and leave the door slightly ajar to air the drum. If the machine won't drain, check the lint trap and drain hose for clogs. Use gloves and clear visible debris. If payment errors persist or the machine malfunctions, note the machine number and report it to staff immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.